We are back with another update. As you might be able to see there, I've removed the AC compressor and all the lines to associate with it, yet to remove the condenser, but it's for another day. I've done that to give me more room to route the wastegate. As you can see, I've made this custom flange adapter up, runs it over to here, which will then run it from the side of the manifold just there down to where we have space. Because remember, we're still not butchering the car. I'll just get all the fittings in this and we'll put it on. Here we go, it's got it bolted on now with the gaskets in it. As you can see, I've got the boost line running from the turbo. Got the boost controller just there. So just about to hook that up. I'll get under there while I'm hooking it up and show you what I'm doing. Here we are under the car. As you can see, I've got the lines hooked up. Screamer pipe's not quite finished, but it'll do for now. As you can see, there's that custom plate I made up. Custom. I've broken the thermostat housing, that's why there's a bit of extra room here. Here's our boost controller. Just got it hooked here. Straight from the front of the turbo down to the wastegate. Ease of access. Normally I would have stuck it in the car, but it looks good here. Here we are, under the car. You can see that bolt just there on the block. Unscrew that and thread in the fitting. That's your coolant return for the turbo. I'll be back when it's done. Hose is on, fittings in. Let's get up to the top side. Now, top side, here's the hose on the same fitting as we used down below. M14 by 1.5 to the 3/8. Not sticking it all the way on because I need to stick on hose clamps. Got the same fitting on this side for the inlet. Still got to run that line, and as you can see, the oil line's running off the back there with a T-piece in the back of the banjo bolt, and it just runs around up and in. Also have another one of these bolts for the sump, for the oil return. So I'll get it next. Here we are under the car. Oil return's been drilled, tapped, and fitting put in. It's a bit long at the moment, but I'll cut it down. Next, just got to run oil return line. Put oil in it too. Here we are at the end of the video. Just want to recap on some things. The bolt that I put into the sump for the oil return was not the same as the ones I used on the turbo for the water inlet. I changed it because I didn't have a tap that size. But once again, down there is the water line, and the fitting is M14 1.5. That's the same for the turbo. It's also the same for your oil banjo bolts. And as you can see, there's the oil inlet once again for you. And if you stick around to the next video, I've got stainless exhaust. Start making a custom exhaust up for it. I've got the blow off valve coming, which will be here for the next video. Be able to hook up the intake plenum, water lines in, because we already got the water lines out, and just hook up all the hose clamps, and should be able to start it with an exhaust next video. So if you could stick around and watch that one when I upload it, it'd be much appreciated. And if you could subscribe, that'd be cool. Thanks for watching and have a good day.